Hey guys, welcome to my video today. Today I'm going to share a little Etsy trick with you. I'm going to show you how you can hide your sold products. The number of sales you've had on your shop page in Etsy is actually a link into your sold orders. This is actually an option, but by default it's turned on. So unless you know you can turn it off, everybody's going to be able to see your sold orders. See, your sales number on your Etsy shop is by default a link to all of your sold orders in the order in which they were sold, from the most current sales to the least. When people click into your number of sales, they have access to see all of your items that have sold. One big reason that you might want to remove this default option from your store is to protect yourself from anyone who wants to see what your best-selling products or designs are. This could be your competitors for their own market research and trend research, or it could be straight-up rip-off artists who want to see what's selling in your store and want to copy a design and base their design on your design. Yuck. There are some reasons why you may want to keep your sold items visible. Maybe you've just begun on your Etsy journey and you want your shoppers to be able to see what's been selling. Maybe you just want other shoppers to be able to see what's popular in your shop. It really depends on the person, their own set of circumstances, and where you are in your Etsy journey. Just know that by having your sold orders open for everybody to see, that you are essentially providing free market research to other people. But as long as you know this going in, you can make an informed decision on whether to hide your sold orders or not. I personally hide my sold listings for the reasons that I stated at first. The important thing is it's an informed decision, and it's a decision that you make yourself. So if you're still with me and you're all in and you want to hide your sold orders, let's do it. So here we are in my Etsy shop on my shop manager page. I'm going to go down to where it says settings on the left vertical navigation bar. I'm going to click on that. And now you have all your settings. I'm going down to the fourth one that says options. So now I have my shop options open up at the top. Horizontal navigation, there's 5 items here. We're just going to stay on the first one, options. We're going to scroll all the way down past all of these other options and go down to the second to last option, sold listings. So default, the little button is going to be checked on sure show them. So what you want to do is just hit no hide them and then hit save. And you're all set. So that's it. That was really easy, wasn't it? It is very easy to do, but it's important that you know going in that showing your sold orders to everybody is totally optional, and you have the power to decide whether or not you want to show your sold orders or not. I hope this video has been helpful for you today. If you'd like to get updates on my upcoming Etsy Print on Demand for Artists course, there's a link right here. You can sign up and just make sure to check the Etsy POD for Artists box, or there's a link in the description. Just make sure to do the same thing, check that box. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. I'd love to have you subscribe if you're interested in more videos like this, and you can look in my channel and find lots of them. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!